If your shipyard company are experiencing difficulties like this. Difficulties in knowing the cost of goods sold, COGS, and profit, for each project or each work item. What materials, goods, and services are used or consumed, and how much they cost to buy. The condition of the material, such as the amount of stock available, where it is located, its status, etc. Monitoring progress and controlling it. SN, satisfaction note, is not ready yet, even though the owner has asked the ship to leave. And the most important of all is knowing whether these projects are profitable, or even loss. DockRP is our answer to these problems. DockRP as a production planning and control system is created to help you. Knowing the COGS of each project and COGS of each work item. Preventing waste, use of materials and services will be monitored and controlled. Managing goods data and warehouse management, inventory management. Easy to find out which warehouse the material is in, its location. Easy to find out where certain materials are used, in which projects, and in which work items. Stockup name can be done anytime needed and simply by using a smartphone. Online project control. The use of materials and services for each work item can be seen and profit can be controlled. RL, repair list, and SN, satisfaction note, can be compared and known by the owner and also by management. The progress and photos can be seen by the owner and management, and they can respond to them. Head office can monitor and control branches online by using smartphone, laptop, PC, for example, monitoring branches related to material and service usage, monitoring COGS and their profits. And many more. We can show you with a demo program, how easy it is to monitor this information with DockRP. Or you can watch our videos on this YouTube channel. DockRP is ERP adapted to shipyard industry. Example process flow. Starting from the request for dock space by the ship owner to marketing as the project leader. Then marketing makes an offer to the owner and communicates with the repair list document or RL. If the owner agrees with the repair list, marketing will make a budget and cost plan for internal needs. Namely by making a list of materials and services needed. The production party also makes a list of material and service requests. Then the production process runs and continuously requests the required materials to the warehouse based on the material request list that has been previously made and approved. If the material is not in the warehouse, the procurement party will respond by purchasing materials and services. While the production process is running, marketing updates the progress and is monitored by both the ship owner and management. Marketing also controls the addition of materials that are not in the plan. During the production process, a satisfaction note or SN is made and developed according to the needs in the field. This SN is shared with the ship owner and management, complete with explanations and photos. When this ship repair project is nearing completion, a draft bill is made. Draft bill can be made anytime because SN document is also ready anytime. After draft bill negotiation with owner, ends with final bill, and then invoice is sent to ship owner for final payment. If you look at this process flow, it is specific to the shipyard industry. While the ERP that is still common, made for various industries, may not have a flow like this. And if you use the ERP that is still common, you and your staff must adapt to the system that is still common. We think, it will be a burden if you and your staff have to adapt in using the system, but on the contrary, it would be better if the system is adapted to its users. What are the DockRP modules? Important modules in DockRP are Project Management, HR, Production, Warehouse, Procurement, Management or Supervision. There are other modules that are also important and not visible in this image, namely Subcontractor, Ship Owner, others modules that will be needed later such as Quality Control, Asset Management, etc. This is an example of the DockRP display. Showing a ship repair project, where the project profile is visible, the layout where the ship is placed, and the progress of the work. This is the display on a smartphone. You can easily monitor projects using a smartphone. This is the display of the progress and schedule. With the Gantt chart, this schedule is easy to monitor. The clear bar is the plan, the solid one is the realization. The progress value and color that indicate punctuality are also visible. Red is very late, yellow is late, and blue is normal. With this Gantt chart you can find out every day. 1. Is the realization according to plan? Or is it longer or faster than planned? This is a benchmark for making the next schedule. 2. If there is a delay, is it the late start, or the long work? 3. The length of the work can be seen, according to plan or not. And if it is long, we can know why. Is it because there are no people or human resources or materials, late? 4. If the project is late, it is easy to evaluate what the cause is. Is it because the start is late, there are no manpower or human resources, problematic materials, or the schedule is wrong? 5, etc. Repair list, RL, or satisfaction note, SN, are displayed side by side and can be directly compared. RL and SN are equipped with explanations and photos, making it easier for ship owners and management to monitor. SN can be ready at any time, making it easier to create draft bill and final bill. This is an example of a warehouse display, inventory management. The warehouse layout is visible. This is an example of a simple layout, but it will be made according to your warehouse. This layout image is not a paste image, but a dynamic program that can show the location of goods on the shelves in your warehouse. Your warehouse staff simply use a smartphone to do receiving goods from purchasing, arranging goods in the warehouse, moving goods on shelves, picking, packing, shipping, also transferring to other warehouses, and many more.